Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set product reminders on the Lidl application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then you should go to the home menu and tap on the search bar in the middle of the screen if you are looking for something that you would like to add a reminder to. So just tap on the relevant product that you are interested in and then click on this bell icon next to the heart icon. Here you can choose a date when you would like to get a reminder of that particular product. So just tap on the relevant one. You can also set the time, meaning that you will get a notification at the exact same day on the same time. It can be helpful if you are planning to go on a shopping to a Lidl and you don't want to forget to buy this particular product, so you will get a notification on your phone. Then if you are done with setting the date and time, you should press the button submit. So now your product reminder has been set. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.